starting from now.
Thank you, Ian. So, about 3 years ago, a customer came to us and said that they wanted the full functionality of the logistics, sales, and distribution on this device, an iPad. Okay? They wanted it to be very simple to develop. They don't want to develop much, but most importantly, they want to make sure that they can maintain it on the long run. And lastly, what they really wanted was to make sure all their Z transactions went over. So we looked it over and we decided, well, how are we going to build this solution? Or what are we going to do? And then somebody suggested, well, we're probably going to have to recreate SAP GUI on the iOS. Yeah, what a dumb idea. But that's what we did, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So here we are. We are in an iPad. This is an iPad. This is running native right now. This is not through the browser. And I'm going to go to VA01. And I'm going to go to the VA01 second screen. And here's the complicated screen. And it pops up just like that. So now the customer says, all right, they want to see all the capabilities. So yep, here it is. Here's the context menus. Here are all the menus that they can see. And all the menus are there. Great. Customer now says, okay, good. That looks good. Can we make sure that all the controls are there? And one transaction, if you know, it's called BIBs. I'm going to show you the BIBs transaction right now. And here are all the controls of BIBs. And on the left-hand side, you can see our HTML control. I'm going to press on the tab strip button. I'm going to press on the table control button. And one more try. And finally, I'm going to try clicking on the ALV grid. Let's see if this works. Hey, that works. Is that impressive? All right, okay. Now, for those of you who are not impressed yet, this is all on iPad. I have a word for you. Like last year, apparently, there was a tweet from this event from Martin Lang, and it goes something like this. I'm going to paraphrase. In the event of a nuclear annihilation, where everything died, two things will survive and prosper: your common cockroach and SAP GUI. So now that the customer has seen that, they said, all right, fine, make it simple for us. That's what we do. We can make it simple. So here is our now Liquid UI in a simplified form. I'm going to press on the top right button, and here's our launch pad, so to speak. And when you get into sales and distribution, create sales order, and I'm going to go in there. And here's a little bit more simplified. Of course, we can do a whole lot more, but for this demo, we didn't. Okay, now the customer says, you know what, that's great. I'd really like to use the scan gun. Okay, so my breakfast this morning, I'm going to show you a scan gun in action here. If I can click it. And here we go. Focus. Focus. Oh, focus. Oh, thank you. All right. So now I'm going to show you how we did that. If you can switch over to to the desktop, I'm going to show you how we did that. So in the DemoJam, the theme for DemoJam is the healthcare. So the transaction for creating a customer is called XD01, and I'm going to go there, and I'm going to show you how we simplify the healthcare. Here is the healthcare screen. I'm going to refresh this. I'm just going to do a few things here. We're all coders, so I'm going to delete this section, let's say. And you're going to see here are the scripts that are generated. Now, I'm going to press the save button, and if you focus your attention on the SAP GUI, you will see that instantly refresh. Okay, so now I'm going to delete one more field right here. I'm going to pretend that this is a patient. And I'm going to flick over. And just by magic of copy and paste, I'm going to paste the table in there. Okay, now that's a table. I'm going to press on the save again. Watch. Oh, a table appeared. Cool. Okay, this is a patient entry, so we don't want to operate on him yet. So let's just turn that into symptoms. Move the table up. And press save again. And press save again. There you go. Now, I'm then going to switch over to my iPad, same screen. Going back, and here is XD01. This is on the iPad. And boom. Here is the same screen that I just designed. Thank you. So now the customer says, well, that's really nice and great, you know, but we're kind of sick and tired of the SAP GUI look. Yeah. Oh, there it.
Well done. Thank you very much. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to test out the clapometer. So we want you to make the maximum amount of noise because this will be calibrated when we line the teams up at the end. So I'm going to count down and then I'd like you to make noise. So here's for our partner. 3, 2, 1, vote! Lovely. I'll just check with the back. Are we calibrated? It would help if I had an earpiece, but yes, we are calibrated. So thank you very much to our sponsor, Synactive. Thank you very much. Great job, guys.